The adrenaline, the rush, the pressure, the nerves, all things athletes feel before competing in their sport. Unified Sports is an organization that is linking together more than 500,000 people worldwide.
Unified Sports is an inclusive team of student athletes, regular ed student athletes, and special ed student athletes combined together on a team that here at Soudernaire High School are competing in track and field events. We have just under 30 students competing in this and representing our school, and it's been a great experience so far.
As fans and teammates cheer from the sidelines, these athletes compete in 3 meets to show that no matter what you put your mind to, you can accomplish anything.
I got involved with the Unified Track because I was a part of the Partners program at school. So basically what that is that I'm in the classroom every day with a bunch of the kids on the team, and they kind of inspired me to come out because I am not the best runner, and they just had a bunch of spirit and really just wanted me to try it with them.
Practicing Mondays and Wednesdays along our very own track team, these students are the true testament to the characteristics that athletes embody.
My favorite thing to do is run.
No matter the outcome of each event, the atmosphere is consistently filled with smiles and memorable moments.
I'm looking forward to doing the best I can.
One person, one team, one family. Training together and playing together is a bridge to a friendship and an understanding.
Let me win!
But if I cannot win,
But if I cannot win,
let me be great in the attempt.